D along the bed. On figure 2.1, show the height H.
So in this figure, we have to show the height. So how can we show the height? Can anyone try it here? Yeah, Amjid, can you show it here? The height. How will get the height? How will label the height? Hello, Tamjid.
Yes, sir, has to see.
Yeah, you please label height. How can you get the height of the metal ball? And how can you show the distance? Yeah, very good. Yes, yes, very good.
So
Then
distance or displacement?
uh, you see, they are saying after the collision, the glass ball moves a distance d along the bench. So this one is d, distance d. We are talking about this distance d. So from here to here, we are saying this one is distance, right? So you label it. And the same way labeled vertically, here you have to label horizontally. Okay. Yeah. Then read it. Yeah. If I read it.
Suggest a piece of apparatus to measure these two lengths.
Okay. So which apparatus we can use here? In our laboratory, we normally use
Meter.
the meter rule, right? In our laboratory, we normally
Yes, sir.
use meter rule, right?
Yes, sir.
So write it there. It's meter rule. Then next one we are going. Yeah, continue. First, continue.
The experiment is repeated. The glass ball travels the following distances. Calculate the average distance DAV traveled.
Yes,
Uh,
calculate it, please. Calculate and tell me what's the answer coming quickly.
Twenty-two point two
22.2, and the unit should be written
centimeter.
centimeter. Okay, very good. 22.2 centimeters. So, Tamjid and Abir, you also got this 22.2.
Yes, sir. 22.2.
Okay, well done. Then our next part. Yeah, continue. First, continue this.
The initial gravitational potential energy E of the metal ball at the top of the slope is given by E equals to mgh, where g is 10 Newton per kg and m is the mass of the metal ball. The metal ball has a mass m of 0.0081 kg. The height h of the ramp is 0.120 meter. Calculate E giving your answer to two significant figures.
Okay, here first you have to show the working and get your the answer you are getting. Normally the answer you are getting in the calculator, that one you will write. Then in answer line you have to write the answer in two significant figures. Now you calculate it here, show the formula, write the formula, and put the values, do the working, and take what is coming, write that value. And after getting the answer, you write here in two significant figures. Okay, do it. Have you got the answer, Abir? Abir, Amjad.
Please say আমি করতেছি।
Oh, okay, okay. Do it. Do it and tell me.
Sir, it's 0.0097 joules.
0.097.
Joules.
2. Okay, very good. So 0.00972. It is in joules, right? Unit is joules. So write the unit also because it is energy. Then if you write in two significant figures, then what should be your answer?
0.0097.
Yes. So write it there 0.0097. So if as Amjad, you also got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amjad,
Yes, sir.
same answer you got, right? Now look, we have one table here, and in this table we have different mass of the metal ball, and we have this gravitational potential energy E, and the distance you got there, that one over here. So for this ball, the one already just now we calculated, value you got E and B, that one you have to write in this blank space. Do it now. Write it here 0.00, then
0.0097.
yeah, that one you write. And here average speed
22.2.
22.2. Okay, very good. So if you see here, all of them are given. You see one decimal point, so we have to write it 22.2. Okay, done this part. Now
Yes, sir.
we completed already this part one. This part is already done. Then number two, on figure 2.3, plot the graph of D average on the y-axis against E on the x-axis. Start both axes from the origin 0, 0. This one already Abir and Kamjid know how to draw. Now for you, Ifaz, Abir and Kamjid, you start drawing. Start plotting. I am explaining it to Ifaz. You see, Ifaz, we have x-axis.
Yes, sir.
X-axis, we have to plot E, right? Isn't it? And y-axis, we have to plot B. So
Yes.
here we have E from 0.0036 and the maximum is 0.0228, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if we think 36 to 228, right? This way also we can think.
Yes, sir.
And that time we can write 228 into 10 to the power. If you take here 2 here, then 2 is here, 2 digits you are taking, right? Uh, so
Uh,
220, if you write it 228, then what would be the power of 10? 10 to the power minus how much? 10 to the power minus
sir,
5.
228 or
Yeah.
like 22.8.
If you, yeah, 22.8, if you write, then what it comes? What is the power?
10 to the power minus 3.
22.8, then it is 10 to the power minus 3. So this one will be 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
in your graph, you will label the quantity and unit. Huh? First thing is you have to label quantity and unit. So you, E here you write, uh, in your x-axis it will be E, right? Uh, so,
Yes, sir.
so here you label E, then E is, now if you convert it to that value, 22.8, right? Then you,
Yes, sir.
then you multiply here 10 to the power minus 3, right?
10 to the power minus 3. Yes,
So
sir.
you write here 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 you write, huh? This way. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
the unit is given in joules. Okay. If you write
Yes.
this way, then your maximum value is 22.8. Okay, and minimum value is 0. As they are saying, we start from origin. Now we have here how many big square? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.5, right? We have.
Yes, sir.
So if you take each of the big square as 5, then 5, then here 10, 15, 20, 25, right? Here it's coming 25.
Yes, sir.
So it's covering, our range is covering more than half of the scale, right? So we can take
Yes, sir.
5, 10, then 15, 20
Then
this way, okay?
15, 20. Yes, sir.
20, this way we can go. Then this one, y-axis we have, what is given, let's check again, then we can understand what will be the scaling. Our scaling rule is we should do the scaling in a way so that it's covering more than half of the grid line, okay? Like y-axis and x-axis, it should cover more than half of the grid, the given grid. That way we should
Oh,
take the scaling. Otherwise, you lose this scaling mark. Okay. For writing the quantity unit, 1 mark. For the scaling, proper scaling, 1 mark. For plotting the points correctly, 1 mark. And best fit line, another mark. Okay. So 4 marks in graph. You see, in graph, we have 4 marks. Okay. Always. Draw,
yes.
always for drawing graph, we have here we'll get draw the smooth curve of base fit. So you check here we have the distance 7 to 70.5, right? That means
Yes, sir.
from 0 to 70.5. So you take here simply each we have here 1, 2, this way we count how many there. Can you check y-axis how many big square is there? 1, 2, 3.
7.5 big squares.
No, how many big square are there? Take like this one is one big square. One, then two, three, four, five, six. Are there eight
Oh,
squares? Big squares? Huh? One. Oh, 8.5.
so,
There is 8.5,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
yes,
So
sir.
from here you take 10, huh? 0, then 10, then 20, 30 this way, huh? 40, 50, 60, 70, then 75. 75 you take. Then it's giving you the more than half of the grid, right? And here also you label
Yes,
the average in centimeter. You give slash this way, right? This way. Otherwise, you lose mark. The average for labeling this the average in centimeter, you have another mark, right? So it's clear.
yes, sir.
So
So
you
can
draw
you
it, huh?
explain the marking again?
Yeah, marking explanation is first marking is there will be 4 marks in graph. Okay, you see here is 4 written, right? It's written
Yes,
here
sir.
4. So this 4 marks is for labeling the quantity and unit correctly. We have 1 mark. Then scaling, proper scaling, so that your given results, measurements are covering more than half of the grid, both x and y axis. That is giving you 1 mark. Proper scaling. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then third mark is for plotting the points, like with the given measurements or given values, you are correctly getting the points on the graph. For that one, we have third mark. And fourth mark is for best fit line. Maybe sometimes it will be best fit straight line. Maybe sometimes it is curved line. That one you have to draw, and last mark, fourth mark is for that. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think you understood and you can now start doing your plotting, right? So you have another class.
Yes, sir.
You have another class now, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so you join in your that class. We have the recording. You watch the recording and complete this one. Next class, you do rest part of this graph. Question number 2. This is our homework. And another task is there that you have to take the printout of set 4. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Set
So set
4.
4 is uploaded
Yeah,
already?
it's uploaded already. You take the printout of set 4 and try question 2, 3, 4 from there. Okay. We'll try question 2, 3, 4 from there. Okay, set 4. I will write the homework
Okay,
also in
sir.
our group, and then you'll get details. Okay, thank you. Huh? Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. I love you, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Okay, Tamjid and Abir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. I hope you got all these points right, Tamjid and Abir. So
Yes,
have
sir.
you
But
have
can you
you
show the
drawn?
marking of x-axis?
Sorry,
Can you show the markings of x-axis?
markings of
X-axis.
x-axis. Okay, again I'm showing x-axis. What I said, like if we write in decimal points, then it's not easy for us to get this. You see, it's written here 0.0228. It's we are not used to with these types of value to take from the graph, but we can easily understand 22.8, isn't it? Hello,
Yes,
Amjit.
sir.
Yes,
Amjit
sir.
is there. Amjit is also listening, right? So 22.8, it is understandable to us, and to take the reading from the graph it's also easy for us. So when we get this type of readings, we can do one thing, that is we can do 20, this one we can see, if you take it is left side like 2 0.228, then 2.28, then 22.8. To get it, we have to write here multiplied with 10 to the power minus 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, Abir, are you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if it is 22.8, same way our other values are also needed to convert. 3.6 will be this one will be 3.6 10 to the power minus 3. So when we are writing in x-axis, we write this way: e multiplied. Here is given e, right? So e multiplied 10 to the power minus 3. That means whatever we wrote there, the values, like when we'll write here, we'll write here, sorry, in the graph, we will take here 0, then 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, right? So this 5 means 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. This 20 means 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. This 25 means 20 into 10 to the 25 into 10 to the power minus 3. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir. Yes.
So you can uh, find your points quickly if you take these values this way. So you try it this way and draw the graph and send me, huh? Send me in the group.
Okay, sir.
So after getting the points, you should have a smooth curve of base fit. Uh, then you have suggest a reason why the student covers the bench with a cloth. This one you try by yourself. This one is very easy question, and I think you can try it and you can have it. Okay, so this way our this question will be over, huh? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This one, the rest part you will try at home, and you send the picture today. At least today you send me the graph picture, and the other part, that C part C, you will do at home, and we will discuss it next class. Then you can send me, not now. And other homework is on our Google Classroom. Already I uploaded uh, set 4. Already I uploaded set 4. That one I am showing you. Just give me a minute. That set 4 has the first question is related to graph. So other 3 questions you try. Huh? Question number 2, 3, and 4. As you already did 3 questions, I think it will be not that much difficult for you to do this question 2, question 3, and question 4. And already we started light, so there also you got the idea how to draw the ray diagram. So 2, 3, 4 you try, okay, at home. Is it clear? What is your homework?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So your first homework is to complete question 2 from set 3, and second homework is to try question 2, 3, 4, and the task you have no other homework, just you do it. And Tamjid, for you especially, you did not submit that set 2. Hello Tamjid. Tamjid, Tamjid is not there, right? It disconnected maybe somehow. So you do it, huh? This is your homework. After my checking of the graph and everything, then I will tell you to send that worksheet completely. Set 3, okay? Not now.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Okay, Allah Hafiz,
Allah
eh?
Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.